Hi there, I'm Becca from Motor Match Chester and I'm going to be taking you around one of our approved used vehicles. This is the Audi A1 Sport Sportback. It's a 2016 model coming with the 1 litre petrol engine and manual transmission. The car comes from 2 previous owners and boasts 63,000 miles on the clock. It also comes with a partial dealership service history, the last completed at 41,000 miles. The car is finished in that stunning Utopia Blue metallic paint, an option costing £390 at new. Some of the key exterior features on this vehicle include the 16-inch 5-spoke sport alloy wheels, contrasting the bodywork nicely. You've got electrically adjustable heated and folding door mirrors, costing £125 at new. You've also got the halogen headlights with the daytime running lights. Moving into the boot space of the vehicle here, you can see we've got a really good amount of room for a car of this size. You can also drop the rear seats down to provide extra room if needed. Into the rear of the vehicle, notice we've got the full cloth upholstery with that laser blue detailing, along with plenty of room in the back for up to 3 rear seat passengers. Moving into your driver's interior, you've got your electric window controls on the door card, 3-spoke steering wheel, and then you will notice that laser blue detailing continuing throughout the front with your sports seating. Now your steering wheel is multifunction. On the right hand side you will find your volume and voice controls, and on the left you've got the controls for your driver information screen. Moving up to the information screen itself, you can see we've got your exact mileage on there. You can also flick through and make adjustments to your media through here. Going across to the media screen itself, you can see we've got plenty of features to choose from. Going round into the car tab, you can access your vehicle settings, your driver assist, and check on your service intervals. Under the telephone tab, you can connect via Bluetooth to take and make phone calls on the go. The car also offers the traffic reports, which will alert you to any nearby disruptions, and you've got the navigation preparation, which can get enabled at an Audi dealer. Under the media tab, you can connect your devices via Bluetooth or via the Audi Music interface to stream music through the car. However, you do also have plenty of choice when it comes to radio, with access to DAB, FM and medium wave. Moving down from your media screen, you will find all the shortcut buttons for the screen itself. Super easy to use. You've also got the full air conditioning just underneath, great to have for the warmer months. And then below there you will find the controls for your heated rear window. You've then got your 12-volt socket and cup holders alongside your 5-speed manual gear stick and your handbrake, and then you do also have the optional front armrest costing £125 at new. RAC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 01244 311 404 or inquire online now. Thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you soon here at Motor Match Chester.